Did you ever wonder how to create Google Ads? In this week's actionable tip of the week, I'm going to show you step by step how easy it is to create your own Google Ads. I'm not going to jump into give you all the details on how to run a rockstar campaign. That takes time, and after watching a few videos like these, you'll get more comfortable and you will be able to run a rockstar campaign. And this could literally change your life overnight. So pay attention to this video.